There it is, and let's go ahead and try it. Hi guys, I have another Instant Pot recipe for you. This is a family-friendly one. It is Instant Pot ground beef stroganoff. I have the ground beef in the house, so I didn't want to go out and buy like some other kind of cut of meat. I just thought I'd do this. I found a recipe, so I'm kind of tweaking it my own way. So I will have the whole recipe in the description below, so you can see it there. And let's get started. Okay, so first I plugged my Instant Pot in. I am going to put it on saute mode so it heats up inside, and I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. Okay, so you just want to spray good covering on it. You could probably use oil too, but I'm just doing it this way. All right, so I have a half a cup of diced onions. They're diced pretty small. You could do a little bit more if you want, give or take if you like onions, but I'm doing about a half a cup. So it's getting warm here, hot. Mix them around a little bit. All right, I have about 1 pound. These are the ground beef from Costco. I have 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm going to put that inside as well. All right, so I got the ground beef in there. I'm going to mix it up. So after you have that kind of mixed up in there, you're going to want to put a half a teaspoon of garlic. You probably could put more if you like more garlic. I didn't know if I should put more or what, so maybe I'll change it up next time I make it. Just want to get it all brown, and then I'll show you what we do next. All right, the meat is all brown, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix that in. Next, we are going to have 2 cups of beef broth, and we're going to put that in. Stir it around. Next, we're going to add 1 can, the 10.5 ounces of cream of mushroom soup. Okay, I've added the cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to just mix this around a little bit. Hoping this is going to be good. This is going to be first time recipe here and for the stroganoff. I guess we'll see. All right, next I have measured out. I have 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon thyme, dried thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And I'm gonna put that in there. Mix that up really good. And I do still have my Instant Pot on saute, so you can keep it on there until we have to actually seal it here. You want to make sure all the soup gets mixed up and it's not clumpy anymore. The cream of mushroom soup. And I just bought the Kroger extra wide egg noodles. You can use any egg noodles you like, the ones that are egg yolk free, any kind. And I have them here measured out 3 cups, and they're going to go in here. Mix this around. I'm going to turn off my saute mode. Mix it up really good so it's all covered. Kind of make sure. All right, so I close the lid. We are going to put it on manual, and we're going to go for 8 minutes. Make sure your thing is on sealing up at the top, and we will come back when it is on. We went for its full 8 minutes in its cooking time. Then it had to sit, just naturally release its pressure for 5 minutes. I opened it up, put 1 cup of sour cream, and mixing it up. There it is, and let's go ahead and try it. So I also added a little bit of Parmesan cheese and parsley on top of it, just to add it a little bit more flavor to it, because our family loves Parmesan cheese. All right, let's see. That's pretty good. I would say this is a good recipe. Pretty simple, easy to do. We'll see how my kids like it. All right, so Kaylee's my first taste tester. All right, let's see what Luke thinks. Okay, he wants to do it himself. I don't think it's very hot, so because it's been out on the plate.
That's good. Suggest making this at the Instant Pot. Good.
You like it? Because he wasn't sure if he was gonna like it or not, but you do like it.
Yeah.
I don't think he's as excited as Kaylee is, but he does like it, so that's good.
It's not like I can prefer to eat something else, but this is at least one of the top 10.
Okay, good. And he's a pretty picky eater, so if he says it's the top 10, that's pretty good. I didn't put mushrooms in it because I don't like mushrooms. Do you like mushrooms?
No.
No. All right. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.